Hey loves, so today I'm going to be making fish pie. So if you guys are interested in this recipe, please stay tuned. For my seasonings, I'll be using curry powder, chicken bouillon, and adobo all-purpose seasoning. And I'll also be using grounded red pepper. You can chop up habanero pepper, or you cannot use any pepper at all if you want to, but I just like a little bit of spice in mine. And this is the dough that I'll be using. I'm not making any dough for this fish pie recipe. I already have one on my channel, so please check it out. And you can find this empanada dough at your local grocery store. So in my bowl, I have frozen chopped bell peppers and onions. And this is what I'll be using with my mackerel, fish, and a tomato sauce can. And for this brand, I totally forgot that it still has a little bit of bone in there. So as you guys can see, I should have did this before adding it to the vegetables, but it is what it is. So as you can see, I'm just picking out those little bones. Yeah, you see that? You don't want that in there. If you like bones, okay, you can keep it in, but I don't like it. So after trying the best I can to remove all the bones, I'm just going to be mashing them up, as you guys can see here. Then after mashing it up, I'm going to add my seasonings. And all the seasoning measurements will be down in the description box down below, so please check it out. Now this step is really self-explanatory. As you guys can see, I have my empanada dough placed out. Then I am going to add my filling, just a little bit, like 2 tablespoons. Then I'm going to be closing it with a fork. And yes, my fork and my countertop was clean, so don't worry about that. And I'm just going to be pinching down the sides. And now I'm just going to be repeating this step until all the fish pies are finished. And also to mention, you would want to sprinkle a little bit of some baking flour on any surface that you're going to be placing the dough to prevent it from sticking. Now since I'm done preparing all the fish pies, I'm going to fry them in my deep fryer at 350 degrees. And these fish pies usually take around 4 to 7 minutes to fry. And these are what the fish pies are looking like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to join the family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and God bless.